Good morning, my darlings. Good morning. I hope you had a good night's sleep. Let's do some yoga together. It's going to be fun. It's going to be relaxing. It's going to be so nice. I hope it's a great start to your day. I know it will be. So let's go. Okay, everybody, good morning. So glad you're here. Let's take the legs and open them out. A comfortable seated position if you want. Sit on the edge of something. And then bring your hands just in front of you, and you're going to take your feet and simply flex them and then point them. And flex and point. So we're going to breathe in, flex the feet, and point, breathing out. Inhale, flexing. Exhale, pointing. Good. Let's flex the feet, spread the toes as wide as we can. Little tiny bend in the knees here. Pull the shoulders up and back. So the heart is opening, we're lifting the chest up towards the sky. And the jaw is relaxed. And then we're going to walk the hands forward about a handprint. And again, the shoulders are going to drop down away from the ears. We're going to not round the back, so grab the floor, pull it towards you so that it helps to pull your spine longer, and then tick-tock your torso side to side. Breathing in some nice fresh air, some oxygen. Long breaths in, long breaths out as we tick-tock side to side. Gentle movements to help wake up the body today. Finding some space in that lower back, and we're going to hold still. Finding our center, and let's walk forward a little bit more, see how far we can go. And go as far as it feels comfortable for you to go. I'm going to shift back just a little. So if you feel flexible today, you can come all the way forward and down. Pull your heart forward and flex those feet. Let the shoulders relax, lengthen the neck here, and feel those inner thighs get a nice stretch here. Long breath in, and let's push the breath out through our pursed lips. Inhale deeply, and exhale, push it out. Good, find the ease of the muscles opening up as we walk in with the hands and sit the body tall. Good. Bring your feet into a bound angle position. I hope everybody had a nice sleep last night. And grab your feet. You can also grab your ankles instead. And just butterfly those knees up and down. Very gentle, easy movements. Zero pain. That's what we're trying to achieve. No pain. And then we're going to lift the body tall. And let's tilt forward to access a different area of the inner thigh muscle there. And as you come forward, maybe you can hold on to the toes, wrap your hands right around the tips of your feet. Pull your heart forward, drop the shoulders down, and allow your knees to soften towards the earth. Now we're going to sip the breath in, fill the belly, the ribs, the chest. Just let everything expand, and on the exhale, push it out. Good, allowing the pelvic floor and the diaphragm to work together when we push it out through pursed lips. Waking up the insides of the body today, as well as the outsides. Good. Let's lift the body up to center. Bring the knees together. You can use your hands to draw them in. Good. Plant the feet down to the floor in front of you. And just lean back into your hands comfortably. And let's windshield wiper side to side with the knees. Waking up the hips and the lower back. Even the shoulders here. Inhale deeply. And push that breath out. Good. Let's take the knees over to the left side and lift the body tall. So you can take the right knee behind this left foot. So we have a nice wide opening for this leg. And then bring your hands to frame the left knee. Good. Let the shoulders drop. Inhale, lengthen up through the top of the head. Good. Now we're going to round the back, do our dolphin here, round the back, and then dive in front of this left knee. Scoop the head up, arch the spine, and slowly rise up. Good. Round the back to start with, then dive down in front of that left knee, scoop the head up, arch the spine, and lift the body up. Good. Breathing in, rounding, diving, scooping, and lifting. Good. Let's do one more. Rounding, diving, scooping, and lifting. Excellent. Breathe deeply. Feel how your body is starting to change. Let's go the opposite direction. We're going to belly flop. We're going to tuck the chin, round the back, and let the head come up last. Good. Belly flop forward, round the back, unroll the head as you come up. Bring it up last. Good. Let's do a couple more. Belly flop forward, round the back, uncurl the spine. The head comes up last. Let's do one more. Let go of some sighs. Good. Excellent. Now walk your hands to your left and come into a nice little twist here. Good. So we have the hands shoulder width distance apart. We're going to drop the shoulders down away from the ears, lengthen up through the crown of the head, soften your face. Long breath in, long breath pushing out. Activate pelvic floor and diaphragm working together. Smile. This is a time to feel good today. Today is the day. We're going to feel good today. Yoga is going to help us feel good. Good. Let's rotate back to center. Now take this right leg, swing it forward. And now this is going to be your baby, okay? Your left heel hugs under towards this right hip. Your right leg comes up. You're going to hold it like a baby and you're going to rock from side to side. Good. Relax your jaw. Circle your leg, or one direction, your right leg in one direction. And then circle the opposite way. Good. How do you feel? Checking in, checking in. How's everything going? Are you okay? Is everything good? Are you breathing? Let's hug in with this right leg. Now, the higher up you lift this lower leg and pull the foot towards that left shoulder, the more you're going to feel in this right hip. So you go to where you feel comfortable in that movement. You can wrap your arms around this lower leg. This is a nice option. You can bring the arms under the lower leg, like so. You can bring the hand on the foot or the hand on the knee as an option, right? So these are all things that we can do. We want to lengthen up through the crown of the head here, sit on those bony parts of the bottom, and breathe. Relax the shoulders. Good. Try to make this as effortless as possible. And then we're going to release, planting both feet out in front. And again, bring your hands behind you and let's windshield wiper side to side. Good. Slow movements. So nice to move the body when we first wake up in the morning, or any time in the morning, any time during the day. Let's bring the knees over to the right. And you're going to take the left knee and bring it back and hug the right foot in towards the left inner thigh. Good. Bring your hands to frame this right knee and you're going to round your back. So we're doing our dolphin on this side. Dive in front of the knee, scoop up with the head, arch the spine and lift up to center. Good. Rounding, diving, scooping, lifting. Good. Rounding, diving, scooping, and lifting. Good. Couple more. Keep breathing. Good. Coming up to center, let's take a deep breath in, and we're going to reverse the direction. Belly flop, tuck the chin, round the back, and bring the head up last. Belly flop, tuck the chin, rounding the back, bring the head up last. Good. One more. Belly flop, tuck the chin, head come up last. Good. Take a deep breath in. Walk your hands over to this right side for a twist. And hold it there, pressing down into the ground. Let the shoulders relax. Keep the neck nice and long. And just take a moment to breathe and feel. Filling the whole body with a deep breath in. And pushing it out through those pursed lips. Good. Rotate forward and swing that left leg around to the front. Give yourself some support with the foot to adjust your pelvis. The right heel is under towards this left hip, and you're going to hug this left leg up. Rock it side to side. Feel that sunshine. Even if it's raining out, feel the sunshine. Circle it around one direction. The rain is good too. The clouds are good too. Circle the opposite way. Notice how you feel. Check in with this hip. Is it different from the other side? Let's hug in and hold it. Remember, we want to keep that lower leg lifted so that it's straight across, shoulders relaxed, and you're going to hug this lower leg however it feels good to hug it. Flexing that left foot, dropping the shoulders, and pulling up through the top of the head. Breathing in, breathing out. Good, and release. Good. Bring both feet out in front, lean back for a moment, step the feet a little bit wider, and bring the knees in and out for a little bit of a relief in the hips. I hope you've enjoyed this practice today, and I hope you'll join us again. Have an awesome rest of the day. Namaste.